Welcome to Sow and Grow, your go-to place for everything backyard farming. Whether you are growing fresh vegetables, beautiful flowers, or just starting out with a few pots on your patio, you're in the right space. No matter the size of your space or your skill level, here at Sow and Grow, we believe anyone can grow their own food and enjoy the benefits of farming at home. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and join our growing community of backyard gardeners. Let's sow and grow together. This morning I decided to come in my backyard and do some weeding because the rain has been falling, so the grass and weeds grow very fast. So I decided to come and give the plants some breath of fresh air. So I'm cleaning up. These are some peas vine here, and some the potato vines run all over on the fence, and so I'm trying to cut back a little. And as I go, I met on something very beautiful. Can you spot it? Can you see it? Do you know what it is? Yes, it was on the vine, on the fence, but it got fit to the point where it is ripe. And so this morning I have a pumpkin. I have a very beautiful pumpkin here. It looks as if it is ripening, but it doesn't matter, because if I cannot eat it, I will put it in soup, and I will also make a drink with it. So it doesn't matter whether it is ripe or whether it is just perfect. I am going to be making use of it. What beauty. What beauty. I'm going to put it on this container here, and I'm going to do a test. So here it is. How does it sound? Sound as if it is ripe. So we are going to try it. It doesn't have that hard, loud sound as if it is just fit. So we are going to test it. I'm going to get my knife. We are going to cut it and see. It's dirty, so I'm going to wash it first. Now that it is clean, I am going to be cutting it. Feels the knife goes through very easily, so I know it is ripe. And when I was carrying it up, it was very light. Wow. So it is ripe. It is ripe. Stayed too long in the field. The seeds and the gut soft, but the skin is the flesh is tough. So what I'm going to be doing is washing it out. I will not be able to use the pumpkin gut and the seed to make my drink, so I'll just be washing it out. So now I have washed it out, and I'm going to be cutting it up so that I can boil it and make some pumpkin drink. So it's very firm. Very firm. I am using the skin So I'm going to wash it again with some soap, some Scotch Brite and some soap, and scour off the skin. And then I'm going to be boiling it and making some pumpkin drink. Do you think I should use it, or do you think I should throw it away, seeing that it started to ripe? Drop in the comment below what you think. Should I use it or should I discard it? Let me hear your opinion. So here's my pumpkin, all washed. Because I didn't peel it, I'm going to be using the skin. So I'm going to be freezing this until I'm ready to use it.